Hi, it's Philip. I will try to show you how you can install MyHD QPKG. MyHD is a complex QPKG because they create an isolated environment for Ubuntu 18.04 for now, a complete environment, and generate application for HD station. So all the applications running in MyHD are called from QTV, the desktop manager of QNAP. This demonstration is how you install the QPKG and how you can install an application inside. For the moment, for the current release, it's Ubuntu 16.04, but now with the last version, it's 18.04 Ubuntu. Okay, so you can see that I have nothing special in my HD station. So now I go to the terminal. The interest to use the terminal is that you can have a full visibility of all the commands during the install. Best choice is to pre-download MHD Ubuntu environment. If you do a manual install, it's not needed because you can see all the download. But if you use the install using Application Center, it's better to preload all MHD environment so you can reduce the time need for installation. Here I make a manual install just to show you that it's not very complex. Okay, so I start the QPKG as a program. It's the manual install procedure for any QPKG. Okay, so we start the first things. We search for wget and we select. You can see here that all the files are already downloaded, so it's very short, and now we can directly extract. So it's the longest part of installation. It's to extract the full Ubuntu environment and to install them to be ready to run. So this use sometimes I will just make a short break in the video and restart when the system continues. So now it's installed and we can start. As you can see in the last line, we install a first QPKG inside MyHD. It's a test, it's a X terminal, just to be able to verify that all run as well. Okay, and it's finished. Now MyHD run as any QPKG. Can go to the, oops, sorry, tack. Okay, I have a test and a run. Okay, so you can see that the only things that we can see here, it's mhtest. mhtest, it's for MyHD, and test is just a terminal emulation inside MyHD. It's just to verify that all run, but you can use it as a terminal. Okay, here, for example, you can see what and see all the system running. So it's a complete system day Ubuntu start, and it's a normal system day. Okay, so now I can show you how you can install. For the moment, all is done using command. One command is MyHD, So it's a full command. You have time to study all the part. The very important command is the uninstall. Uninstall is complex because they are free environment independent. So uninstall MyHD, do a full uninstall of the associated QPKG, all the Ubuntu environment, and suppress MyHD itself at the end. There were a lot of other parts, like how you can manage user, because MyHD run as user level, not at root. Also, how you can add an include folder. So, for example, you want to add share multimedia to be able for MyHD to use it and read and write inside. You use this command to add it. So I just show you another command. The command I used to manage MyHD QPKG. So at this time I can ask for the status of the QPKG. Here you can see that I have Kodi DSet, but it's not installed in HD Station, but they exist in MyHD. Kodi 18, PMP, Plex Media Player, and the test that are installed, is installed, and with the version. So I will install the Kodi 18. So it's very short, you have just to do install and Kodi 18. Okay, we use the QPKG client from QNAP, so we use exactly the same method as you do in QNAP. And if I go back to the system, you can see I have a new icon here. It's Kodi 18. So for the user, there were no change. If I start it, so it's the first time I start it, they create the environment, and we can see that it's the beta version. If I just want to have a look to the system information, you can see it's the beta 5 at this time. The most important point at this time is just to understand that nothing run as this other application, nothing run as root or admin. It's always under a specific user. And if user is not known by MyHD, we use a QNAP user. So nothing run as root level, so it's more secure for all. Thanks for your attention.